Hi everyone, my name is Jose Aguinaga. I'm very happy to introduce iScald to the Ripple CBDC Innovate Hackathon. iScald is an offline-only wallet using web technologies. One of the main concerns for implementing a retail-based CBDC is cybersecurity. By ensuring that the private key and the wallet only works on an offline environment, we can protect one of the biggest attack vectors that are possible. So the idea is that you have a commercial bank that implements a system like this, and you have the user that has its wallets on their own and then can execute all the normal traditional transactions. We're going to have it on my right. You can see there is my phone, which has the application loaded as a progressive web app. So I load it over there, and you can see that it's offline, but it's still able to use everything and load everything at the moment that I do. Let's say if I make it online, then of course you cannot see the application just shuts itself off, right? So this is kind of like a protective measure to ensure that the application doesn't expose the key to the user. And then to my left, we have what it will be the equivalent of a commercial bank. So for instance, we have a transaction. Let's say we have our wallet over here. For simplicity, I copy pasted it before to avoid the hassle. But pretty much we can have a transaction where let's say we want to make a deposit to our bank for 0.01 XRP transaction. We have the payload ready to be used, and then we can just do the transaction for our phone. Of course, because we are using right now recording software, then the phone, it's not always easy to do it with a progressive web, but we're going to try again. And now we're going to use the other wallet that we have prepared. So now let's use a different wallet. We create a different transaction over here, and then we actually scan. We can do that over here. So you can see my phone is actually recording over here. Let's put it over here. And then we have the payload, and now we have the scan transaction. Now we're going to do the same from the computer. So the computer is going to have unloaded myself here. You can see myself over here, and I'm going to put a phone, and then you can see the transaction is going to be loading. So that's the way iScald works. It just does a double handshake with an offline environment. You can see the transaction being broadcasted over here, and yeah, and it's all working. Thank you very much.